Hey, little artist! Welcome back to our channel, Mr. Book and Me. And today, we're going to draw a cute ladybug.
Hi, everyone! I'm so excited to be here with you.
First, let's draw two big, round eyes.
Eyes, I look out for food and friends.
Ho-ho! Draw the shape of the head.
A smile makes everything better.
Haha! Add a big, happy smile right here. Oh! Draw two little antennae.
My antennae help me sense what's nearby.
Ho-ho! Next, it's time for the hard wings.
I can fly high up in the sky with these wings.
Add some black spots.
These spots make us unique and look like a scary bug to other animals.
What do you like to eat, Ladybug?
I eat tiny insects like aphids.
Oh! Next, let's draw the abdomen.
It's where I keep my food.
Add the legs, 3 on each side.
I use my legs to climb and walk.
Ho! Draw some flowers for our ladybug to sit on.
Oh, I love flowers. They're my favorite places to rest.
Draw the lines darker to make them stand out. Let's color our ladybug and the flowers. Yellow and black antennae. Pink color head. Red for the wings. Black for the spots. Rainbow color abdomen.
Red. Orange. Yellow.
Green. Blue. Indigo. Violet. Multicolor flowers. And there we have it, a beautiful ladybug. You did a great job, kids.
Bye, everyone. Keep drawing and exploring.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun art adventures. See you next time!